I'll tell you what, folks, it's the weather is just getting absolutely worse and worse, and I don't know if you can pick it up on but there's a lot of wind going on. Wind's about 15 miles an hour, and mixed in with the cold wind chill, definitely feels like 0 out here right now. It's about close to 2 o'clock. I've seen some parents standing at the bus stops. We have some buses that passed me on my way here. The children had gone off from school rather early, but you can just see it's just getting very, very dangerous out here, near blizzard conditions. But I'm taking the risk to go outside right here, right now, just for the sake of showing what it's like down here in Central Jersey, as I do with all the weather videos that I've made here on GameboyTV so far. Jeez, it's so hard to talk with this. I'm bundled up as best as I can, but it's still bitterly cold out here. What I'm doing right now is I'm approaching some of the, a patch of land that's unoccupied. I'm just gonna take some snapshots here. There's really no harm, by the way, but definitely gonna be a big winter for us here in New Jersey, and I don't think I've seen anything like this since 2011. And this isn't supposed to be the worst of the storm. This is only just the beginning. We're supposed to get a lot more snow with this storm than the one that wreaked havoc on us on the day after New Year's. If you watched my other video, we had 8 inches in Parlin. But we're supposed to get 6 to 10, and locally up to 1 foot of snow. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's January 22, and it's bright and sunny outside. Let's see how much snow there is this time. This is deja vu all over again, just like I did a few weeks ago. Got the ruler here, and I wouldn't be surprised if the totals are higher. Oh boy, 9 1/2 inches. That is 1.5 inches higher. Granted, maybe some of it has melted, so I could probably say maybe 9 3/4. But yeah, it's a pretty bad storm last night. But lucky for us, it wasn't a foot of snow. I'm coming back to the place where I was yesterday during the storm. So you can see how big the land is right here. The wind that you hear now is what the wind was, but with the snow coming down very hard, you know, that stings when that snow hits you. But yeah, it was a pretty good storm that we had. A substantial amount of snow, 9 and close to 10 inches. But this place can look real, like the middle of nowhere in like near blizzard conditions. I can tell you that.